The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine, informed on June 6, 2022. High-precision long-range air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Force have destroyed industrial building of the Smity mechanical plant and outskirts of Lavaya Kharkov region, where the armed forces of Ukraine armored vehicles were being rebuilt and repaired. The high-precision air-based missiles have hit 4 armed forces of Ukraine command posts, as well as also areas of Ukraine manpower and military equipment concentration. 190 Ukrainian aircraft and 129 helicopters, 1,127 unmanned aerial vehicles, 330 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,424 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 473 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,795 field artillery and mortars, as well as 3,446 units of the special military vehicles was destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.